This is a live trade, and I really want us to know how we entered this trade, how we entered the positions, how many positions did we enter, how did we close partials, and after closing partials, how did we analyze this trade to catch spikes, on this boom, to catch spikes on the boom, up to this level, just within 24 hours. So I want you guys to stay tuned so that we see how we catch spikes on boom and crash. This is a live trade. In this video, I showed us how I entered this trade, before I entered the trade, how I entered the trade, and how the trade actually played out. If you follow me closely, you will also do the same thing. All you have to do is make sure you take your time to watch this video, just the way I used to say. If you know it will be too long for you, even though it's going to be a short video, if you know it's going to be too long for you, increase the speed of your video, increase your video speed. Yes, you can do that. So when you do that, it will help you to learn faster and limiting the time you spend on one video. But make sure you don't miss anything, so that it will also help you to learn, and it will also help you to get motivated. Yes, and also to help you to make a decision that is very important. Let's go into the main deal. Hello guys, it's your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. All right, I want to show us a live trade in case some of you are still doubting what I said concerning boom and crash. So we want to catch spikes to the upside now. So let me show you how to do that right now. So according to our analysis, boom always go up, like spike up, and white crash always spike down. So you can see this area, liquidity has been taken. When it came to this place, it came and retested when it cleared this area, this zone, it came back to retest the area and again continued selling. But now it retested this place, it continued to sell, right? But there is one thing that we always observe. There is one thing we always observe here. And this will be the basis of our spike. So we go to 5 minutes, and now I can see a clear structure for a retest. Yes, for a retest, a clear structure for a retest of this 1 hour time frame. 4 hours time frame. The structure, this is what I wanted to show. The structure was, the liquidity was taken here, so we expect price to come back here before it continues to sell, even though it did that with this week. But let's try and produce, let's look for a green candle. Let's look for a buy candle, so that we can take the spike up. So I want to enter my positions right now. So I've entered my first set of position. There's a liquidity level here, so I'm going to set another buy limit here. Don't be carried away by this thing. This is minimum lot size, so don't be carried away. So I'm going to set another buy limit here. All right, so I've entered my buy limit position. I'm entering buy limit position because I entered buy limit position because I want to catch spikes. I told us earlier, I told us in my previous videos that it is easy to catch spikes. There is a way to catch spikes every day, and you are able to catch it successfully. So I'm showing us a live example of how to catch spikes, like how to catch spikes on boom and crash, like very easy. In fact, it is the easiest thing to catch in trading. In fact, it is the easiest thing in trading. yes, like you can build a career around catching spikes. Yes, it's what my premium mentorship covers. Yes, we updated our curriculum recently, showing us live trades on how to catch boom and crash. How to catch spikes on boom and crash. How to catch spikes on boom and crash. Yeah, so just stay tuned. I will come back and give us the update on this trade that is running. So if you are here for the first time, please do well to like this video and do well to subscribe. All right. If we don't know what we are doing, that is when we are going to be prolonging, or we are going to be how is it called now? We are going to be doing a guesswork. But once you know what you are doing, everything is going to be very sweet. You can see the price came all the way to come and trigger this. And I told us one of the reasons why we don't want to trade against spike is because spike will not trigger your limit, but the normal price movement will trigger your limit. And it be spike that I said, maybe I've explained that before. Go and watch my videos on boom and crash, or go to my playlist and check my boom and crash. Watch the videos, that you understand more. So as I was saying, you can see price came and triggered this, and after that it spiked. And I told us that I set this limit because I saw a liquidity level here. So after it cleared the liquidity level that I spotted here, it triggered my limit here, and it boomed. It boomed. So it spiked up, and so let's do wait and see what is going to happen. I just have to show us this. Maybe it's going to come all the way down to come and trigger this before it will now give me the real spike. Yeah, before it will give me the real spike. So let's see what is going to happen. Let's see how it's going to go. Let's see how I told us catching spike is the simplest thing you can ever do in trading. Yes, you can see if I want to close my trade, I can easily close my trade in profit with my big lot size. It is as simple as that. So if I want to be catching spikes every day, I can just do it. I can catch a spike just like that. I don't need any indicator. Like, I don't need any indicator. I have my trading strategy. I have my pattern. This is the exact way my mentees catch spikes. Yes, if you go to our Telegram channel, you will see just search our Telegram channel, the search button at the top, just input hashtag testimony. You will see how many of them catch spikes and how many of them trade profitably. Yeah, so it is as simple as that. It is as simple as that. So if you are knowledgeable about all these things, trading is going to be very easy for you. You see, you don't need to be catching. If I want to be scalping, it is safer for me. It is more safer for me to catch spikes as my scalping strategy than scalping on Forex. Yes, it is safer and easy, very easy here, because I know it's just spike. I love spikes. See, just put on the comment section and put on the comment section, I love spikes. I love trading spikes. I love trading spikes. Yes, I love trading spikes. Even my part payment, like my part payment, we enable you to trade spikes like this. I mean, my part payment video for my mentorship, we enable you to catch spikes like this. I'm telling you the real truth. Yes, the real truth. Guys, you guys can now see that it is not a guesswork. Like, it is not a guesswork. This is a live trade, and you saw how everything went. Like, this is what we do. This is what we do. It's a very simple strategy. I mean, a very simple strategy. No indicator, nothing. Pure price action. According to my word, according to my strategy. This is what we do. This is how my students also take their trades. This is what we do. In fact, boom and crash is not the order of the day. Yeah, so that's just it. Just catch us. By those of you that you want to blow. I mean, you want to blow. Yes, well, I can assure you that boom and crash is the easiest and this. Don't let me tell you something that now make it want to blow your account. I wanted to say it's the safest way and the easiest way and the best way to actually turn things around for yourself for good. But always remember, high risk, high return. Low risk, low return. Yeah, sometimes low risk. In fact, in trading, it is always low risk, high return. That is the best way. Yes, that is the best way to take trades. In fact, this particular one now, it is low risk, high return, because number one, it is on lowest lot size. This is the lowest lot size. I mean, the lowest lot size. Number two, if I put my stop loss here, my stop loss is going to be below here, and the return I'm getting is far more than my stop loss level. Is far more than my stop loss level. So which means it is low return with what? I mean, low risk with high return. It is low risk with high return. But you know, boom and crash has its own way. Like, there is a way it makes people to be very greedy. There is a way it makes people to be very greedy, whereby you now have high risk and high return. But you know, high risk means your account you can blink your eye, and before you know it, your account is gone. But notwithstanding, this is what we do. This is what we do. This is how to take a clean trade on boom and crash. This is how to take a clean trade on boom and crash. What we trade is just spikes. We have boom 500, we have boom 1000, we have crash 500, we have crash 1000. Those 4 pairs should be able to give you, if you use the pattern I use, analyzing from 1 hour. If you want to scalp boom and crash, just for boom and crash, or other pairs, if you want, no matter what you want to do, don't go below daily time frame. If the worst will come to worst, use 4 hours. Yes, but on boom and crash, you can look for a very clean trade, I mean, a very clean trade on 1 hour, and enter on either 5 minutes or 1 minute. Yes, on either 5 minutes or 1 minute. If you are joining us for the first time, do well to subscribe, like the video, subscribe, like the video, and the premium is still available. The premium mentorship is still available for now. It's still available before I close it for the mid-year. Yes, before I close it for the mid-year, it's still available for now. And we can see the other one I analyzed for us on the previous video, how it has really delivered. Yeah, you can see. So I've closed my profit, and I've locked this one right here. So this is how I'm going to be trading it down till it gets to a very significant stage, till it gets to a very significant position. So this is what we do. Trading is very easy, just the way I used to tell us. All you have to do is just stay tuned and subscribe and follow the person that knows the road. Guys, I've taken partials on this trade, and you can see I've locked the trade up, and I've locked the trade, and the trade has really gone more than we expected. I mean, it has gone far more than our expectation, and that is what we want. That is what we really want. So this is it on boom and crash. I've already locked my profit. All I have to do is just to scale it up, maybe shift the stop loss to this area, then to this area, and see how it's going to go, So once you know about all these things, it's very easy for you to be profitable in trading. Yes, it is very easy for you to be profitable in trading. The same thing is happening on the platform right now. There is an energy on the platform. There is an energy on my premium platform right now, because those people that are catching spikes with big lot size. I pray they don't blow their account with this greediness. And that, just by the way, those people that are trading boom and crash are catching their spikes, and those people that are dealing with currency, they are catching their pips every day. So this is just a live trade. Now we saw how everything has become. Yes, we saw how everything has become. So you too can be a part of our premium mentorship, or you can take advantage of our free trading strategy that is on the playlist, on the group's playlist. So once you go there, you are going to what? You are going to be able to benefit from everything that we do. Just the way I used to say, it is not necessary. This thing just spike again, just spiked again. So just the way I used to say, it is not compulsory you come for the premium. But if you think you want to scale up your trading, if you think you want to scale up everything you have been doing, yeah, you can come up. You can subscribe to the premium mentorship. You can subscribe to the premium mentorship. So this is boom and crash. If you want to pay your school fees, boom and crash. If you want to pay your house rent, boom and crash. If you want to get married, boom and crash, boom and crash. Just be booming the spikes and be crashing the spikes, and before you know it, you are there already. The reason why I actually love boom and crash is because you can decide. The problem is that greediness is to keep people at the end of the day. But the reason why I love boom and crash is that you can decide that only one spike. Only one spike is enough for you to. It's enough for you to get your profit, and you close your trade, you close your chart for the day. But the thing is, it's not always easy like that. You see, people are greedy. When I say people are greedy, this is we human beings. We know how that thing used to pull us. So, but by the way, the main thing is, once you know someone that knows what he's doing, just follow the person, and everything will become profitable. As we can see here, this is level that I marked for a potential profit, and it has really got it to the final level of taking it off. This is the final level of taking it off. It has reached liquidity levels here. It's clear this liquidity level came back all the way to retest. So it will always come back to retest. So that is the same thing that we have been trading. So if you don't know much about liquidity, go to the playlist, check my playlist on liquidity, watch the videos that are there. You will understand the liquidity. By the time you watch the videos, you will understand the liquidity levels, the double top, the double bottom, the liquidity level in trend line mode, the liquidity levels when you see the wicks of the candles. Those are liquidity levels. Those are the areas where buyers and sellers, they are pumping in money. Prices, you are going to be seeing wick of what is it called? You are going to be seeing wicks. You are going to be seeing wicks and ranging market. All these things, all these wicks, they are liquidity. It's liquidity that caused them to produce wicks like this, wicks on the candle like this. It's what is liquidity. So once you're able to know how to spot those levels and to know how price clears those levels, then it will be very easy for you to trade. But we go deeper in the premium mentorship. So if you want to join the premium mentorship, just message me. And apart from that, just stay tuned, stay subscribed, because the more you follow me, the more some things about my trading mentality will be dropping in you. That's just it. That's another thing some people don't know. Even if you don't subscribe for the premium, if you follow me closely and you watch my videos closely, you will catch something. You will catch something. So that is, guys. This is a guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. Catch you guys. Take care. Bye bye.